Hi guys, let's talk about the healthcare system and let's X-ray one of the African um, illness we have or viral illness we have, uh, and which is Lassa fever. Lassa fever has had a high toll this year. We've had 955 cases of Lassa fever reports, and we've had 176 loss of lives from Lassa fever. It is a sad news because this Lassa fever is a West African thing. All right, it's a West African illness, number one, or infection, better said. How do we get Lassa fever? We get Lassa fever from the contamination of infected rodents. All right, when they urinate or they pass their urines or their feces, all right, on maybe food or household items, what happens is that when we take these things, we get to have it. It can also be passed from person to person. Now, what are some of the symptoms of Lassa fever? The Lassa fever symptoms includes, I'm trying to read it out, fever, headache, sore throat, cough, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, chest pain, general body pain, and back pain. Now, in most severe cases, right, these are the cases that are mild, these are the symptoms you would get when one has such. Now, in most severe cases, one begins to have bleeding from the eyes, the ears, and the nose. That is very tough cases. And respiratory distress, maybe issues with breathing or persistent vomiting, generalized body pain, and facial swelling. All right. So, and in some cases, when women are pregnant, all right, they tend to lose 95 thereabout percent of the time. They tend to lose their pregnancy because of this. So it's aside the pregnancy loss ranging 75% of the time. Uh, Also, we have hearing loss as one of the symptoms of it, and also inflammation of organs. Inflammation could involve maybe what's it called, infection of organs and all that. Now, so there is currently no vaccines, as I said. I bet I said that before. There are no vaccines for um, this Lassa fever, so it can be managed. So it's more about cleanliness and intentional cleanliness. We must find a way to push out rodents, not trying to infiltrate into our houses or come into our houses. No, we must try as best as we can to push them off or try to make them and keep our homes clean. Aside the roaches, right? Aside the rodents, we can have the roaches also, the cockroaches.